Hello, welcome to another unboxing. This time it's 150ml because quite a lot of them are 100. Aroma Diffuser. It's the sort with the ultrasonic disc, and you put water in, a little bit of oil, and it makes a nice mist with a smell. Now this one was ridiculously cheap, so I just had to get one, so I haven't had one for a while. It was about £7. I mean, I think it was £9.99 and it had 20% off and some other offer. It was about £7, and I've actually looked back now and it's gone, the listing now. And these are normally at least £10, and that's for the 100ml one, so I think I got myself a bit of a bargain here. I mean, it's worth it just for the transformer on its own at that price. Anyway, so let's have a quick look around the box and what it tells us. So specifications. So any voltage then, really, 100 to 240, 50, 60 hertz. It uses 24 volts, 500 milliamps, and as I say, 150 mils water. There's a little bit of blurb on how to use it. Obviously, you don't overfill it. Just put a little bit of oil in, mainly water. Select on here if you want the light, the colour changing light, or you want it on one colour. Where it's got a sleep timer, a timer, and just a mist button, so I think you've got quite a lot of controls over how long it stays on as well. It's quite good. Right, I'm not too sure though, I don't know about you, what warm tips before use are. So these are warm tips. So let's take number 4 for example. Please make sure the water tank is clean and free of foreign objects. Do warmth really, isn't it? You know, hey ho, there we are. So a very inexpensive unit. I've had one before, and in the end I gave it to my mother to use as like a mood light in the corner of her room. It lasted for years. In fact, I think it's still going. So they do last pretty well, these things. So let's see. I can't believe it's this cheap. It is so cheap. Get one of them bags that feel like they're not plastic, like they're made out of silk. I really like these. To keep it, use it for something. It's too good to throw out that. Unscrew the lid anti-clockwise. Victsing it is, this one. So the membrane switches, there's a little fan underneath which blows it through. There's where your transformer plug goes in. There's a little bit of blurb about it. Yeah, so there's the fill line. So you just fill it up to there, which we'll do in a minute. There's a little ceramic disc. And this cover is twofold really. One, it glows with all the different LED colours, which looks quite nice. But also, this spits. And it sort of, occasionally you get big blobs come up and it gets caught by this top bit and just goes back in. So there's another reason for this top. So it's just the smoke that comes out. So it goes off usually to an angle before it comes out there. There's a little bit of shielding on there as well. So it's just trying to get just the mist out and none of the bits where it's flying around all over the place inside. So that sort of seals down on top of here. Thought I'd better show you the blurb that comes with it. You get an extra year's warranty if you take this one in. An extra year. And here's the blurb that comes with it. So, for example, the sleep is press first time to enter sleep mode. Blue indicator will come out. The blue indicator will come out if you push it. You better not push it then. Oh, it's strange, this translation stuff, isn't it? It's hilarious sometimes. Blah, blah, blah. So it doesn't actually say how long the sleep button goes for. The timer, 3 hour it is for one flash. Second time to cancel. So, okay, so we've got that. So I don't know how long sleep is, doesn't say. Mist button. First time mist continuous. Second time to exit mist output. First time for 3 hour. Oh, it's very. It's not It'd be easier just to find out by using the buttons, but I don't know how long that sleep timer lasts for. Yeah, just a quick look over that, in case anyone was interested. So very good. The last one I had was fantastic, but I mean, $7.99. I've got here a switch mode. Yep, 100 to 240, 0.5 amps max, 24 volt transformer. I mean, if you have a look how much transformers are on somewhere like Amazon, they're going to cost you that, if not more. So how I got this for this price, I'll never know. You must put 1 billion of them or something, or I don't know. Anyway, so we'll plug this in. We'll put some water in a minute. Put it somewhere where I can think. See, it's an angled one, which is nice, and obviously it doesn't get in the way. Okay, we'll fill it up in a moment and crack on with the next stage. See you in another room in a minute. Okay, moved into the kitchen now. I've got some water and I've got some oil. This is Nagchampa patchouli, and it really works well with water. Even just a tiny amount, just a dot, it goes a long way. So we're going to be using that one. So let's fill it up with some water. 150ml line, it's about there. And just a few drops. That's it, that's all it needs. Now does that have... my old one had as like a twist lock and it sort of clicked. This doesn't. It just turns and that's it. Okay. Now let's turn on the power. So the light is on this side. Okay. Now if it's like my last one, it goes through all these different colours, but you can just stop it on whatever colour you like. That's the way it normally works. So we'll go for colour changing at the moment. Oh, can I cycle through? Oh yeah, look, you can cycle through. Quite like that one. Let's go with that one. And let's push the mist button here. See what happens. There we go, instantly. Hope you can see that. Let's just see if that's coming out on the video. I think I'll just zoom out a little bit. Perhaps a darker background might do it. Anyway, there's a fine smoky film coming out. Can't smell it over here yet. Nice and quiet. I mean, the noises you can hear in here are the fridge behind me, so I just close the door of the fridge. It's not quite so noisy. This is very, very quiet, even though it's got a fan in it. You can see the smoke a bit coming out. Let's turn the light off. How about that? Nice thing to have in the bedroom, isn't it? Because you can turn the light off anyway, and you've got a sleep button. Don't know how long that lasts for, but you know. Thing is, you've still got it plugged in, and there's still a transformer. So when it's off, it's not 100% off. You still use a little bit with just that transformer being on in the plug socket. So it's not that energy saving. Obviously, a little bit. Well, gotta say, I wonder if I push mist again if it will go, oh no, that is, yeah, it's just on and off. So there is only the one flow, there's no way of making it more. I'm thinking on a hot night like it is tonight, a little bit of mist might be just a ticket. It does smell rather nice. I see this Nagchampa. You really just need 1 or 2 drops. Really, really good stuff. There we are then. So that is the Vict Sing, which is this company. Ceramic disc, ultrasonic, mister, air freshener, mood light. Thanks very much for watching. See you again next time.